Proton Chief Ahmad Fuaad Kenali will be stepping down on September 30th as the DRB-HICOM Zhejiang Geely corporate exercise nears completion. According to DRB-HICOM Group MD Syed Faisal Alba, Fuaad will be assuming a big role in a related company. In an email statement, he praised Fuaad for having done an impeccable job in his short tenure at Proton and said he played a vital role in closing Proton's search for a suitable foreign strategic partner. Fuaad was appointed as Proton CEO on April 1st, 2016. No mention of who will replace him, though Geely will be nominating a candidate for CEO of Proton subsidiary Perusahaan Otomobil Nasional, which is the group's main production, operations, manufacturing and marketing company. A report from China's news portal Automotive Review previously suggested that Geely's new recruit Li Chunrong will be tapped to oversee Proton's operations. Syed Faisal will continue as Proton chairman. The EPF's second quarter income is up by over 36% year-on-year to 11.5 billion ringgit. Head honcho Shahrial Rizal Rizwan says this was on the back of improved market conditions, with equities remaining the fund's main profit driver, contributing over half the total income, 53.7% to be precise. The other major contributor was fixed income instruments at 37.3%. Net impairment was lower, improving by 63% to 1.34 billion. Now, amid the scrutiny that came after PM Najib Razak made that announcement, the EPF gave its assurance that all overseas investment opportunities, including those in the States, are thoroughly reviewed in accordance with its long-term diversification strategy. It says the step is in line with its mandate to grow its 14 million members' retirement savings by investing only in assets that fit its risk-return profile. As at Q2, foreign investments make up less than 30% of EPF's portfolio. Khazanah National has made 15 investments worth $410 million or 1.7 billion ringgit in the States, principally in the tech sector. The state investment arm has a policy of progressively diversifying its investment portfolio overseas. In 2013, it opened Khazanah Americas Inc. in San Francisco, the third of its 5 foreign offices. The others are in Beijing, Mumbai, Istanbul and London. As at end 2016, its investments in the US represent 1.3% of its portfolio RAV of 145.3 billion ringgit. Khazanah said today it practices due diligence on all its investment proposals and has multiple investment gates in place. It says it will continue to explore investment opportunities in the States, reaffirming PM Najib's remark made to US President Donald Trump earlier this week. Overall, it says long-term value creation from its portfolio remains steady, with NWA having increased 3.1 times, growing at a CAGR of 9.3% per annum from May 2004 to December 2016. Hibiscus Petroleum rose by over 4% in active trade today on news it had been granted major project status for the West Seahorse project in Australia. According to online portal Australian Manufacturing, Australian Minister for Industry, Innovation and Science Arthur Sinodinos confirmed the federal government had renewed the development. The West Seahorse project is located in the Gippsland Basin off the coast of Victoria. It is undertaken by Hibiscus Petroleum Unit Carnarvon Hibiscus and aims to develop an important oil reservoir, estimated to hold recoverable oil reserves of about 9.2 million barrels. Carnarvon Hibiscus will invest an initial $140 million and a further 100 million over the project's operational life. It expects to initially produce about 12,000 barrels of oil per day over an estimated 6-year period. Hibiscus climbed to as high as 47 cents before closing at 46 cents. Putrajaya Holdings, the master developer of the administrative capital, is said to be planning to expand into Kuala Lumpur. Bernama reports that the company will be developing 2 projects in Jalan Ampang with a total GDV of 5.2 billion ringgit. CEO Azlan Abdul Karim told the Newswire that plans are afoot to build high-rise service apartments near the China embassy. The developer is also looking at a mixed project on a plot of land on which the French embassy was previously located. It is now waiting for approval from KL City Hall. Putrajaya will also be building what it calls an eco-destination township in Sepang. The first phase will be a 27-hole eco-link golf course supported by a number of 3 to 5-star hotels. Development is slated to kick off in the third quarter of 2018.